To apply the smart film, fit it to the top of the glass area, and then align the bottom and sides so all the corners and edges are properly aligned. Stick the first 2 inches of the film to the glass and confirm once more that the film is properly aligned. If not, peel off and realign. Once you have attached the top 2 inches, the rest is very easy. As you can see, we're pulling on tape ends to peel off protective liner. Ideally, you should not peel off more than 5 inches. If you do more, the film will adhere to the surface of the glass under its own pressure and most likely will create bubbles. Never go too fast or apply too much of the film at once. Use a squeegee to make sure there are no air bubbles. Adhere the film 2 inches at a time and watch for air bubbles. Work in horizontal lines from left to right to disperse any bubbles. If air bubbles do form, there may be dust under the film. Don't worry, these can be dealt with. Watch our video removing air bubbles from smart film for more details. Repeat this application process until all the film pieces have been installed. Once the smart film has been successfully installed on the glass, you're ready to move on to wiring and finishing touches to give the glass area a clean look.